They left that place and passed through Galilee. Jesus did not want anyone to know where they were because he was teaching his disciples. He said to them,
"The Son of Man is going to be delivered over to human hands. He will be killed, and after 3 days he will rise."
But they did not understand what he meant and were afraid to ask him about it. They came to Capernaum. When he was in the house, he asked them,
"What were you arguing about on the road?"
but they kept quiet, because on the way they had argued about who was the greatest. Sitting down, Jesus called the 12 and said,
"Anyone who wants to be first must be the very last and the servant of all."
He took a little child whom he placed among them. Taking the child in his arms, he said to them,
"Whoever welcomes one of these little children in my name welcomes me. And whoever welcomes me does not welcome me, but the one who sent me."